Lengua 2.7. Pronombres indirectos. Pronombres indirectos son palabras como me, te y nos que expresan un receptor indirecto de una acción verbal. They answer the question, to whom? These are the words we have been using along with the verb gustar, so a review of gustar is a good place to start. Remember that gustar actually means to be pleasing to. If I want to say that I like the market, I will say, me gusta el mercado. The verb gustar is conjugated to match el mercado. The word me expresses that the market is pleasing to me. The market can be pleasing to anyone, though. By changing me to te, le, nos, or les, I can express that the market is pleasing to different people. Here are the indirect object pronouns. Most importantly, note that the indirect object pronouns do not reflect the person who does the verbal action. They are objects, and so they receive the verbal action. The verb dar, to give, 98, is very commonly used with indirect object pronouns because you usually give something to someone else. In the examples below, look at the verb conjugation to see who gives and the indirect object pronoun to see who receives. El negocio me da la autoridad de investigar. Mañana te doy mi decisión. Los problemas nos dan la oportunidad de mejorar el proceso. Here are some verbs that are commonly used with indirect object pronouns. Some are new, and some are from previous lengua sections. It is possible to use these verbs without an indirect object pronoun. For example, la profesora responde. We only need to use the indirect object pronoun when we express to whom this happens. La profesora les responde a los estudiantes. This is a standard form for the whole sentence, and as we begin practicing with indirect object pronouns, it may be useful to follow this pattern.